Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the right tools for this repair. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. Start by turning off your Asus ZenBook UX3402V and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using a T5 Torx screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips during this process. Once the back cover is off, take a moment to visually inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of physical damage, burnt components, or loose connections. If you notice anything unusual, it may indicate the need for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, carefully disconnect the battery. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you're working on the unit. Use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery. Gently lift the battery from its compartment. Before proceeding, check for any corrosion or damage on the battery terminals. If your CPU is suspected to be damaged, you will need to remove the heatsink and fan assembly. Start by unscrewing the fan and disconnecting the fan cable from the motherboard. Then, unscrew the heatsink screws in a star pattern to avoid warping the motherboard. Once removed, clean the old thermal paste from the CPU and heatsink using isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. At this point, if you don't have the necessary tools or expertise, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get the assistance you need without any hassle. After cleaning, apply a small amount of new thermal paste onto the CPU. Reattach the heatsink and fan assembly, securing everything with the screws in the same star pattern. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard and then reinsert the battery. Now, it's time to test your device. Reattach the back cover and secure it with the screws you saved earlier. Plug in your laptop and try powering it on. If it still does not power on, it may be time to seek professional help. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Lastly, if you need further assistance or decide to send your device for repair, remember, with our no calls, no travel service, we make it easy and convenient for you to get your Asus ZenBook back in working order. This concludes our guide on troubleshooting a non-working Asus ZenBook UX3402V. Always prioritize safety when working with electronic devices and consult a professional if you're unsure about any steps. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.